Hello, today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Play Store on your PC. All you have to do is to go to your Google web browser and type BlueStack. Now, you should make sure that the BlueStack that you're about to download is compatible to your device. As you can see, you are given a few options on what tool you should download. So once you know it, all you have to do is just tap download, as you can see it right here. Now you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. And once done, you just have to tap this one and locate or show the folder. Right click, click run as administrator. But I have already BlueStack on my PC. So all I have to do is to open my BlueStack and just go to the search bar and search Google Play Store. Okay. When you go to this part here, or you can go to My Games and you can see their Google Play Store. You just have to tap that one and then search for that specific game that you want to download. Okay. So actually, you can search everything here. For example, you want to search the game Roblox. You can simply go to the search bar and type Roblox. You can also download Minecraft, Mobile Legends, but this is how easy it is to download Google Play Store on your PC. You cannot download it directly, okay? You need a BlueStack or other system or tools in order for you to access this Google Play Store. So again, you just have to go to the search bar and search for that specific game, and you can download that and start playing that game. Okay, so I do really hope that this video helped you. See you again in our next videos.